Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to write a Python function to identify the maximum value of a list. So here I have a list called numbers and it has 8 elements and the maximum value is 9. So let's start writing the function. I'm writing a function called findMax which accepts our list called numbers as the input variable. Next, I define a variable called maximum and I assign that variable to the first element of the numbers list, which is 2. Now let's write a for loop to identify the maximum value. So this is the for loop. I will explain it step by step. So what happens is I'm trying to compare each pair of adjacent elements in this list and come up with the maximum value of the list. So I have assigned this first element in the list as the maximum value to begin, and then for each iteration of this for loop I take one element as the item and I already have something called maximum. For each item I compare the item with the variable called maximum, and if that item is larger than maximum I assign the value of that item to maximum. So in the first iteration maximum is 2, item is also 2, so these two will compare and this condition is not getting satisfied, so nothing is happening here. In the next step maximum is 2 and item is 4. When we compare these two, this condition is true, so maximum gets the value of item, which is 4. In the next step I compare 4 and 5, so maximum is 4, item is 5, so the same thing happens. Now the maximum variable gets value of 5 and so on. This happens until we get to 9. So once we compare these two, maximum is 9 and item is 7, so this condition is not satisfied, so still value of maximum is 9 and so on. At the end the function returns the value of maximum, which should be 9. Now I apply the function to the list and let's see what happens. So this is our list, this is the function, and let's apply the function to the list. Okay, we got 9, which is expected. So let's check one more thing. Let's change this number to 16. So now 16 is the largest value and I changed my list and I updated. Let's apply it to the new list. So now the maximum value is 16. I hope you understood the thought process behind this function, and it is very important to understand that so you can map this concept to any similar other problem that you are going to solve. So if you have any questions, put a comment in the comment section. I will try to help you as I can, and thanks. Happy learning.